Marie and Nila Care and Style includes 7 different series, each one to boost your hair with what's needed. Of course, you'll meet clients that have several needs for their hair and scalp. In this film, we'll inspire you on how a consultation takes place and what mix of care and style we'll recommend to our clients. To find the right mix for my clients, I always make sure to ask what their preferences are or what they think is the problem today. The history of the hair is very important to get a better understanding of what the hair has been through and why we need to boost the hair with specific products to get it healthy again. My client has the most amazing curls, which she wants to highlight and embrace. She has bleached her lengths before, and therefore she has both chemically damaged hair but also naturally dry hair. As many of us, her scalp easily gets dry and irritated, due to old skin cells, grease and sweat, that is hard to get rid of on a daily basis. Her goal is to get more moisturized, bouncy and defined curls, together with a non-irritated and healthy scalp. The first thing to use is the shampoo. And since she told me about her scalp issues, I choose Head and Hair Heal. This shampoo will heal her scalp from the itchy and irritated feeling, thanks to the active ingredient vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that increases the skin's moisture capacity. It prevents skin damage and makes the skin feel softer. To help her increase her curls and make them bouncy, we need to add moisture. Curly hair is usually dry by nature. Ecotherapy Revive has maximized moisture in both the mask and conditioner. I add the mask and towel-dried hair and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. If you have the time, let it sit for longer. The longer, the merrier. Ecotherapy Revive conditioner has a pH level of 3.3 to 3.8. That's a lower pH level than the other Marie and Nila conditioners. It also includes, just like the mask, the composition of hydrolyzed kale protein, carrot protein and lemon protein that together will increase moisture by binding and preserving water. To maximize the shine and moisture, I mixed Structure Repair Leave-In Cream together with True Soft Argan Oil into a new formula and added it in both damp hair and dry hair to define the curls I wanted. This mix absorbs so easily without being heavy or too oily.